All right, so this style is called the Jessica, a cute mini messy bun. So my doll has already been prepped, but I'm going to go in with my pink pewter comb to section off the hair from ear to ear in kind of a U shape, smoothing that top section back and then securing with an elastic into a loop bun. Then I'm going to kind of pull some pieces around for some looseness and texture just initially, and then I'm going to start pulling apart the loop bun to widen it and lengthen it. So I'm just taking sides of the loop bun, pinching and pulling, and I will do the same thing lengthwise as well. Then I'll use a no crease clip to clip up those ends while I elastic that bottom section, pulling some pieces for looseness, then taking a topsy tail tool to weave that bottom elastic section through the loop bun and have those ends come out on the other side of the bun. Then I twist those ends up and around to the left, pulling it apart to combine with the loop bun and then pinning for some security but leaving those ends loose. So then I'll just go through with bobby pins, taking sections from the loop bun and kind of bringing it over to secure it against the scalp and also to secure those ends. And then I am detailing the front here, but this is the finished style. I'm loving this trend this year. Save for some inspo.